So some people suffering from diseases, for like lifelong diseases, what is the reason? If yes, how can we avoid it for future lives?
Okay. If somebody is suffering on a lifelong disease, it is their effect of agati karma of the past life. Okay? There is no doubt about it. From Jain karma theory point of view, that only agati karma is the one going to produce the body related problem. All right? In this case, it is Vedaniya karma. Vedaniya karma is a aghati karma. It is the body related karma. Now, because of the aghati karma and suffering lifelong disease, he feels suffered. I think last time I gave you the example. I'm going to repeat the simpler example and then I'll come to this example. That I'm healthy, I'm walking on the road. Suddenly, I fell down for whatever reason. I did not see the digging a ditch and I fell into it. I broke my leg. No, breaking the leg, it is due to my aghati karma. But because of breaking the leg, whether I can be suffering or I will not suffer, it is all up to me. Now you can say, what? I mean, if you break your leg, how can you say not to suffer? Okay? And I will explain you now. The reason it is most of the people will be saying it, okay, now what am I going to do? I got to lie down on a bed, 6 weeks in the bed, and I become so miserable for 6 weeks in bed. Okay? For most of the people, it is true. But let's say if a spiritually advanced person, for the sake of argument, let's say Mahavir breaks the leg. Okay, he falls down on the street someplace and break the leg. Would Mahavir be suffer? You got to at least to say, no, Mahavir will not suffer. Why? Why would he not suffer and why we all are suffering? Okay, because every situation what Mahavir faces, he faces as a knower and observer. This is the way it was going to happen to me, and it happened. This is the way it was going to happen, and it happened. Whether I suffer because of that or not suffer, situation is not going to change. Okay? And he remains Gnata and Drashta. Ordinarily, people may think, the spiritually advanced person may think, well, I need to do a lot of reading, and this gives me good opportunity to catch up with my reading. All right. And he will not suffer, but he starts using his time wisely and catch up with his all the reading material. All right. Now, would you call it the person suffered? No. He internally feel I am making use of my time. I'm making the use of my time. Every moment what I got, I'm going to catch up with all my readings. So things can break the leg, your aghati karma. But because of that, you become unhappy. it is in your hand. And that is a Mohniya karma. So, Vedaniya karma and Mohniya karma will go hand in hand. If you are suffering because of breaking the loik, that suffering is you. That is a Mohniya karma. That is not a Vedaniya karma. That is not a Aghati karma. That is a Ghati karma. And that's what you are suffering because of the Ghati karma, not because of Aghati karma. Aghati karma, you could have been remained like Mahavira, knower and observer, then you are not suffering. So, after Keval Jnana, a person always remains knower and observer at every moment, and he does not suffer. The person, he or she doesn't suffer after attaining the Keval Jnana. That is the only reason, even though he may have Vedaniya karma, he may, Gosala came and throw the Tejolesha to Mahavira. That means Mahavira suffered Vedaniya karma. Suffered is the word we are using it. But the Tejolesha burned Mahavira's body. But that Tejolesha, because of that, Mahavira did not suffer, because he was in the knower and observer meditative state. To suffer, only you can suffer unless it is a Ghati karma or it is a Mohniya karma, all right, which is the one of the name of the Ghati karma, all right. So, suffering occurs due to Mohniya karma, which is a Ghati karma, but Vedaniya karma is the one affects your body. Due to body, you are not suffering. Okay, suffering means, okay, oh, what am I going to do now? And you unnecessarily, stressfully depressed because you are staying in a bed for so long. Okay, so that is always a, keep that thing difference. Whenever you are suffering, it is always a Mohniya karma. But when some physical defect occurs, it is a Vedaniya karma. Okay?